Hey guys, we're live, back in action at 8:56 p.m. and we're running a mini for Brandon's Y-Wing fighter. I got 31 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Top three win spots in the main on this one. I'm going to paste them here. We got 31, which is neat. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We did, we got a 9er. We're golden. Here we go. Hans in the top spot for our first round. Alex 2. Eric 3. Christopher takes round 4 with number 16. David round 5. Alex takes round 6. Christopher again on top in round 7. Ryan round 8. And our winners are Ryan, Christopher, and Alex. Congrats, fellows. Here's the verification and our official results. FXM SOL. There we go. I'm done. At 8:57. There it is. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to our winners. See you next time, fellas. Later.